Oh, just way too much time this morning doing paperwork and other boring stuff inside. So I think we are going to get outside, get what we can done with the rest of the day. And we are going to clean up some woods. And then I think we're going to try and clean out a little bit of the carriage house. So let's get after it. Okay, well, got one load. Might have been able to fit some more in there, but just a little concerned in getting too many in there and having them fall out on the way and have to stop. It's one of the things about living in a small town. You want to make certain you clean up after yourself because everybody knows you. Okay, let's get down the tree dump. We'll empty this and then come back, get the rest of that, and see what we can do from there. right, well, that load out of the way. Took a little more doing than I thought, but it is so handy to have a spot where I can dump all this. Yeah, oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay, I'm turning you around so you can see this. Okay, somebody dumped a bunch of drywall out here. That is not what this is for. This is specifically for yard waste and limbs, trunks, trees, such forth. So I am very disappointed in somebody. The sign specifically says so. They've got cameras all over here, so I'm pretty certain that they will find out who did that. But it is so nice having this. People dump stuff like that, and they threaten to shut it down. As well they should. I mean, there's a lot of stuff that they could be dumping out there that the city can't burn. So, yeah. And the sad thing is about 3 miles the other way, there is a county recycling center that will take drywall, will take all kinds of stuff. So I don't know why somebody would feel the need to dump it out here. And at the county facility, the city will even pay for it if you live in the city limits. So, yeah, a little disappointed in somebody, but I'm certain the city will get that straightened out. And let's take a little look at the river here. Can't see much there, but it's down, but it's typical for the time of year. And yeah, it actually, for a good chunk of the summer, it was pretty low. It's always nice when it's flowing freely. All right, well, let's get the rest of those sticks, and let's see if we can get a actually, let's clean out the carriage house a little bit. It's not, the recycling center is not open today, but it'll be open tomorrow. I can get a truckload and be ready after work to run it out there and get rid of a bunch of stuff. Well, I think it was a year ago I did the toilets in the house, and still have one of them sitting out there in the carriage house waiting to be taken to the dump. So it's probably about time I get off my butt and get those cleaned up a bit. So, need to take that to the dump. I think I'm gonna go find something to weigh it down with. Might take a few larger chunks from the elephant tree that's over on the other side there. And so I'm gonna pull the truck around, toss a couple of those on top of it, and get this thing in the tree dump. Okay, I know what else I need to do. Okay, some of you may have seen the my little friend the fox. Gotta set that camera back up in that area. I wanna see a little more of what he's up to, a little closer to his den. And yeah, so trail camera. Let's get that set up. See what we can see tonight. Okay, here we have the den, and you know, just really glad it's a fox, not a badger or anything. Okay, trail camera set up right here, and the den's right over there. So we'll see what we can see. You know what? Actually, tell you what, I've got a couple of jack-o'-lanterns I'm going to set up here, see if we can maybe attract some deer too. Oh, that's truly all I got for the day. So after getting back from the tree dump, I took those jack-o'-lanterns up to the fox den there, just to see what else I can capture on the trail cam. I mowed a little bit up there. You can't tell from here, but looks a lot better. Up in where all those sticks were, because I hadn't mowed in probably a couple months. So yeah, I think we'll shoot for tomorrow with running the dump. The carriage house over there has really turned into kind of a catch-all for everything. So I really need to get through that, dump everything out. The patio furniture back there needs a home for the winter, and it usually goes in there. The basement's got quite a bit of stuff in it too. So yeah, I think tomorrow I'll take care of that. And if you can see way, where is it? Right there, there's a blue thing. That's a swimming pool that blew into the yard. It's been sitting over there for quite a while. Need to take that to the dump. There's some other stuff back in the woods there I need to grab too. So lots to do, but I'm spent for the day. I think it's time to go in, edit this a little bit, get it out, and relax. So appreciate you watching, and I will see you next time.